Everyone wants to spend more on gas than they absolutely have to. We would rather spend that money on fun things like a new TV or tickets to the game. Getting there will require new technology like more efficient engines, better aerodynamics, less rolling friction. But this won't be enough. Car makers also need to take weight out of the car. A lighter car simply takes less energy to move around. To do this, car makers are looking at materials like carbon fiber and aluminum. The problem is that they are expensive and difficult to repair, so they are normally only used in luxury vehicles. So what can be done to put regular cars on a diet in an affordable way without sacrificing safety or that feeling you get when you're driving a well-designed machine? It's a bit surprising, but steel could be the answer. The solution is just to use less of it. That is what nanosteel is for. Nanosteels have two major features. They are very strong to allow for parts to be made thinner. They are also extremely formable so that the new lighter parts can be designed to be just as stiff as the old heavy parts. How do we do this? Well, nanosteels are different from normal steels. They are made out of nano-sized grains instead of the typical steel microstructure. We get this to happen by altering the steel recipe. For cars, nanosteel sheet is made in a steel mill by melting the proper mix of ingredients in the furnace. The melt is continuously cast into slabs and rolled down to the final dimension. By the time the coil leaves the plant, it has the strength and formability properties automakers need to design revolutionary, lighter car parts. Car makers will then put nanosteels into their stamping presses to form complex shapes, like B-pillars or roof rails. By using existing stamping presses, they don't need to invest in new equipment, keeping down the cost of production and car prices. By using nanosteel sheet, when these cars roll off the production line, they will be lighter and use less gas, while still being as strong, safe, and fun to drive, giving you both peace of mind and more money for the ride.